Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we will show together how you can solve Microsoft Office update notifications issue which every Mac devices in some way or other are facing it. Unfortunately it's a little bit distortions and making the application a little bit slower when you're opening it. I had tried many ways and none of them worked for me, but this only did. So let's do it together. To solve this issue, we need to do three steps. Firstly, close all the Microsoft Office applications and quiet them all from the taskbar. Secondly, we need to open the terminal in the utility folder. Then we need to use the pillow scripts which you will find in the description or the comment sections to use them in the application by copy paste them for each app. So as you can see in the screen, we will copy the Word application script, then going to the terminal and paste, then typing the password, then OK, close the terminal. This is very important. Then start the terminal again and copy paste the Excel script, then the password, then OK, then quiet the terminal, then the PowerPoint again and again and again. I will put the three scripts in the comments as I mentioned before, and finally I must mark two things very important. Firstly, the scripts are valid only for 90 days only, so you must renew it again after this time. Also, in some ways, it could not be responded from the first time, so you have to restart and to try again, and make sure to close the terminal and quiet them from taskbar to make this effective. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening for me, and have a nice day. Bye bye.